Out. So if you're here, it means the answer you selected is incorrect. Please watch the full video and listen for the word that will allow you to continue. Now, no worries if you are incorrect. I am going to explain it. So number 6 says, what is one supporting point for the claim? Consumers can't vote with their fork. Can vote with their fork made in the afterword of Omnivore's Dilemma, pages 323 to 328. So the claim is that consumers can vote with their fork. And what is one supporting point? That means what is one way that you know that this is the claim? A says fast food is a terrible choice for consumers to make. It harms the environment, animals, and human health. B says making small choices like eating meat from CSAs or drinking less soda will have a positive impact on the environment, your health, and local farmers. C says eating local foods and eating seasonally are the only ways to have a positive impact on farmers, your health, and the environment. D says all people should make responsible food choices and eat a vegetarian diet consistent of food derived only from plants. So right off the bat, I know that the only ways, when we use words like only, always, never, that is not going to be our answers because eating local foods and eating seasonally are not necessarily the only way to have a positive impact. There are other things that you can do. And then D says a vegetarian diet. Now, he does not say that you absolutely have to be a vegetarian or be a vegan. And so that is not going to be our answer. So now we're left with A and B. He says that fast food is a terrible choice for consumers to make. Now, he did say that moderation is key. So he never said that fast food was a terrible choice. He just said that it shouldn't be our everyday choice. And so A is not going to be our answer either. And so let's just double check. B says making small choices like eating from CSAs or drinking less soda. Okay, so he's not telling us what to do. And then it says that it will have a positive impact. So if you do this, more people will be able to, when more people do it, then that means that it will help the environment. You'll be healthier. And obviously, you are buying from local farmers, so you're helping them. B is your correct answer. And so to double check yourself, consumers can vote with their fork. That means that consumers can decide what is best for them by eating it. And so if what is best for you is eating meat from CSAs, okay, that is something. And drinking less soda, that is definitely something that he says. So always make sure that you double check. The secret word for this question is going to be behind. Click behind to move on. Have a wonderful day, y'all.